Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, even though we got a big spike, I still am looking at this as a big 1, 2, 3 pattern. I still think this is going to go up at least to the 161.8 on the monthly, probably around the 25.50 area. Now this is going to take a while to play out. You have to realize that each one of these candles is 1 month, so this could potentially take maybe 6 months to a year before it actually does make it all the way up to that level. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, we definitely got a very significant turn down, which is actually not surprising at all, especially with how strong this uptrend has been. But I still think this is probably a 1, 2, 3, probably a wave 4 of this last uptrend that started right here, which is a subdivision of a bigger uptrend. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3 is what I think we got going on right now. So I still think we're in that wave 3 of 3. I think at this point we're probably actually in a wave 3 of wave 4, if you want to be technical. Well, it's actually probably a wave 3 of 3, but the wave 3 is probably in a wave 4, if that makes sense. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, definitely a very strong move down, but which is not surprising because of alternating waves. When you get a very shallow, small wave 2, you usually get a very deep, strong wave 4, which makes perfect sense. I still think this is very likely to be a wave 4, and I still think it's very likely that it's going to go up to this 161.8 area, which is right below the $2,500 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is actually forming a flat because it looks like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. So I think it's a 3-3-5 pattern, which is usually a flat. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. We are approaching the 50% fib, which is definitely an area of resistance back here. This is a rally-based rally area in the past, so that's definitely should be an area of support in the future. I would like to see a nice break of structure to the upside to help prove that this really is over and that it really is the end of a correction and it really is going back up for a big wave 5. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it looks like a 1, 2, 3 right here. We do have a little bit of that 3, 4, 5 state that you see at the end of every trend, so possibly this has already made a 3, 4, 5, but it kind of looks like it's a 3, 4, 5 of 3. Kind of seems more likely that it would go up and make a wave 4, then come back down and make a wave 5, and then that break of structure would be the break of structure I would be waiting for to prove that this wave 5, the 5-way pattern is over, the end of a wave C, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames, and most likely the continuation of the uptrend is what I think will happen. So I would definitely still be looking for shorts at least until we get a pretty significant break of structure on preferably the 4 hour time frame and up, telling us that this wave C of wave 5 really is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to the swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.